Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall segment tracking and remove UI event wiring, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall segment tracking, begin by identifying the libraries or SDKs installed in your project. Locate the segment integration across your codebase. This is typically found in your app's configuration files or main entry point. Remove any segment SDK or library dependencies from your package manager. For JavaScript projects, this may include removing packages from package.json. Run the appropriate command in your terminal to uninstall these packages. If your project is using Node, use npm uninstall or yarn remove, followed by the package name. For mobile applications, remove segment-related dependencies from your pod file or build.gradle. Next, search for any segment configuration code within your project files. Delete initialization scripts related to segment. These may appear in files where services are set up or configurations initialized. Next, proceed to remove any tracking calls made within your code. Look for instances where events or user traits were tracked using Segment's API. Delete these lines to ensure no tracking will occur after the uninstallation. Next, check for any UI event wiring that might be linked to segment tracking. Identify any user interface elements that previously triggered segment events. Remove any event listeners or handlers that were set up for these UI components. Ensure you also clean up any references or states associated with segment. In your application, ensure that it functions correctly after the removal. Perform thorough testing to confirm that all segment dependencies and tracking calls have been eliminated. Look out for console warnings or errors that might indicate leftover references. Finally, review your documentation and update any references to segment tracking. This will help your team understand the changes and maintain clarity in your codebase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.